We're out here in beautiful British Columbia, and we're about to have a reaction of this Ford F-150 cube van. It has more power than Jake Paul's Lamborghini, so we're about to test it out. Okay, Marco, feel free.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! 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 Oh my God! Whoa! How fast did we go? 100?
Like 120.
Oh, dude, that's insane.
That's crazy.
Oh. Okay, the adrenaline is crazy. Okay, do that one more time, please. Like, okay, wait, I
gotta slow down.
I'm gonna show them the dash. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That's crazy.
Oh,
That's absolutely. So, and this is exactly why you should buy yourself a Ford F-150 and go work hard.
It's not an F-150, this is an F-350.
F-350, and work like a real man, and yeah, and not buy yourself a Lamborghini, because Lamborghini is just
They're a waste of money. You can't work with them, you can't do nothing with them. They're
two
pieces
seats,
of crap.
2 seats. Like, what are you gonna do with 2 seats?
We have a whole back cube van.
Yeah, we have the whole back.
Full of.
Yeah. I mean, it's full of machines, but you know, like we can shove people into there.
Yes.
Shape or form doesn't matter. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, like
comment.
this video, comment what you think about our truck that's more powerful than Jake Paul's Lamborghini, and yeah, please subscribe.